In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to recover a hacked Instagram account at work in 2023. So this is the hacked Instagram account recovery guide. The first way is the most obvious. You go in, you click on forgotten password, and you can type in your username, for example, for me, Dr. Niki. But when you click on next, it will either ask you to have the code sent to your email or your phone. But let's say the hacker hacked you on both. So what you want to do to have multiple options is actually you want to go over to Instagram on a browser, and here when you type in forgotten password, omit the username, you might have a few more options. The second thing you can do is go to help.instagram.com, just like so, and from here you want to type in the search bar hacked, search for hacked, first link, and here it has so many options on how you can recover it. There's a request login link from Instagram, security code, verify your identity with a video selfie. There's so many options that are more than just asking you for your phone or code. So check it out. If you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I try to help everyone out. If you got any value, if this video helped you out, give me a like, really helps me out. And hit the subscribe button because I want to see you next video. Bye.